What is up, my crafty friends? My name is Carrie and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about today's video because y'all, it is my very first open invite collaboration. I've never done one of these before and I'm so excited to see what y'all come up with. Now, joining me on this collaboration, I've got two co-hosts, and that is Sweet Urban Rose and Terrarium and Crafts. And y'all, wait until you see what we are challenging y'all to do with us. So have a look. All right, y'all, now it's time to talk about the rules. So they're really easy. All you've got to do is to mention all three of your hosts in the video. You're going to list each host channel as well as the playlist in your description box. Now, don't forget to mention that playlist in the video too, because we want everybody else to participate along with us. And you're going to need to use a jar or a bottle to create anything you want to under the sun. We're also going to upload our videos to the playlist on Sunday, June the 7th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And y'all, last but not least, the most important part is to have fun. Let your imaginations go crazy, think outside the box, and just do something that you have never thought of doing before. I know y'all can do this. I believe in you. Have fun with it and just let your imagination go free. That's it, y'all. The rules are super simple. I know y'all can do this. I believe in you. So get your imaginations thinking, think outside the box, grab a couple of bottles or jars and see what you can come up with. I would love for you to join us on this collaboration and I can't wait to see what y'all do. So if you plan on joining us, let me know in the comments down below because I would love to know who all plans on making something with us in this collab. So that's it. Super short video and yeah, let's do this. Until next time, happy DIYing, y'all.